Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. A high-level probe is underway following the arrest of several Haitian nationals and a Dominican in St. Elizabeth. The police were reportedly on patrol in a section of Slipe Road in Lacovia on the weekend when they signaled the driver of a motorcar to stop. The driver reportedly fled from the vehicle, leaving behind close to a dozen occupants. The 10 Haitians and a Dominican who entered the country illegally were taken into custody. Immigration officials are making arrangements to ascertain their true identities. Residents of St. Catherine have already started to take advantage of a one-month amnesty given to those who constructed buildings or structures without approval or building plans. Mayor of Spanish Town, Norman Scott, raised the issue at the recent meeting of the St. Catherine Municipal Corporation.
During this one-month period, property owners are encouraged to come forward and regularize their buildings by submitting the required plans and documentation. We are allowing this one-month period in which you will not be faced with any penalty. At the end of the one-month amnesty, strict enforcement measures will apply. Any persons found to have constructed without the approved plans will be subject to penalties ranging from 100 to 200% of the original application or approval cost.